How to find your ID in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Sausage Man and looking for your player ID, then first of all launch open the Sausage Man app on your device. Once you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner and you will come across this page. At the bottom right, you'll see the ID option. Just tap on it to copy your ID on your device's clipboard. Now you can paste or save the ID wherever needed. You can use it when contacting customer support as well. So that's how you find your player ID in Sausage Man. Keep your ID handy whenever you need account support, but avoid sharing it publicly unless it's required by the official support team. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.